Good morning, all my dear students at Government First Grade College, Gauri Bidnur. First year bcom A section and B section. With the examination, keeping it in the mind, I've taken an opportunity to make the video about the accounting equations. There is a revision classes, whatever I have done in the classes. But still I could see very poor response. Like 107 students only could view, I don't know. But see, it is very easy for me to find out how many of you have really watched complete video or not. If you have really watched, you could write the feedback immediately, number one. In the feedback, you would have suggested that what is a number of video, and it deals about which chapter, and you are from which section, right? What is your name? What is your CMS number and all details you would have suggested, you would have given. And apart from that, you could have asked. Then apart from that, there is a homework sum. So where I have proposed to give you today. So let me check how many of you are replying. Then each one, those after watching, even they don't send all these details, right? That is a feedback. Don't comment, don't worry. I have the file with me. Everything is being filed, okay? I'll show what kind of performance you have done. Let me not drag much, okay? Take you through another illustration of the same chapter, accounting equation. Mr. Ramanashri started business under the name of Ramanashri and Company. The details of the transactions of his business are given below. Commenced business with capital 1 lakh rupee. Remember, 1 lakh rupee cash increases. Cash is the asset increases. Capital is the liability that also increases. 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. Bought goods on credit from Ramesh. Remember, bought goods on credit from Ramesh. So it is a credit. We are purchasing goods, right? On asset side, stock increases 80,000 rupees. On liability side, creditor, because Ramesh is our creditor, 80,000 rupees. 1,80,000 asset side, 1,80,000 liability side. Capital does not affect, zero. Bought furniture for cash, 10,000 rupees. You know, 1,80,000 you have earlier. Out of that 1 lakh cash you have, now that cash reduces by 10,000. From 1 lakh, it becomes 90,000. And this affects increase in the furniture, that is the asset. So both will happen on asset side only. Cash decreases by 10,000, furniture increases by 10,000. Total would be 1,80,000 and 1,80,000. So sold goods for cash, 40,000 rupees. Now also the effect is on asset side only. So cash increases 40,000 rupees. From 90 plus 40, 1,30,000 rupees. And then the goods, that is a stock, reduces by 40,000. So minus 40,000. So you have 80,000 rupees goods in the form of stock. Minus 40, you get 40,000 rupees. There is no change at all. Okay. So both the sides, you tend to get the same total. Paid Ramesh on account 40,000 rupees. Now, both the sides. So from cash 40,000 you will subtract, then you will show the remaining, and even on creditor side 40,000 you will subtract, and you will reduce. Both the sides reduces. Then paid shop rent 10,000 rupees. On asset side from cash minus 10,000 rupees, right? This affects capital on the capital, so minus 10,000 rupees. Paid salaries 5,000, same. Cash reduces 5,000 and capital reduces 5,000. Sold goods on credit to women, 25,000 rupees. You are selling goods on basis of credit. That's it. So very simple. Alteration is happening only on asset side. So then So credit sales when you make debtors increase 25,000, stock decreases by 25,000. Both affect on asset side only. Withdrew cash for personal use 10,000 rupees. Okay, so cash minus 10,000 rupees, capital minus 10,000 rupees. Received commission 5,000 rupees in cash. Cash increases by 5,000 rupees and it is added to capital 5,000 rupees. Prepare accounting equation from the above transactions. Correct? See, commence business with cash, increase in stock, increase in capital, plus 1 lakh, plus 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. This is accounting equation. Second one, bought goods on credit from Ramesh. So is the creditor increase, stock increases plus 80,000. So here also credit liabilities under 80,000, capital 0. Now new equation is 1,80,000 on asset side, 80,000 plus 1 lakh on liabilities plus capital. So it equates. But furniture for cash 10,000 rupees, increase in furniture, decrease in cash. Okay. So plus 10,000 minus 10,000, 1 lakh 80 and 80 plus 1 lakh. So that is the new equation. And sold goods for cash 40,000, no profit, no sales. Okay. So minus 40,000 and plus 40,000, 1 lakh 80, 80 and 1 lakh. So here liability no change, capital there is no change, new equation. Paid Ramesh on account 40,000, cash decreases 40,000 and creditors also decrease, minus 40, minus 40,000. So now you have new equation, 1 lakh 40,000 assets, 40,000 and 1 lakh rupee liabilities plus capital. So paid shop rent 10,000, minus 10,000 cash. So minus 10,000 from capital, minus 10,000, minus 10,000, liabilities 0. So 1 lakh 30, 90 plus 40, 1 lakh 30,000 new equation. So paid salary 5,000 minus cash minus capital minus 5,000 minus 5,000, 0 here. 1 lakh 25, 40 plus 85, 1 lakh 25 new equation. Sold goods on credit to women 25,000 in stock in debtors. So one increase, one decrease. 1 lakh 25, 40, 85. Same new equation. Withdrew cash for personal use, cash decreases, capital decreases, minus 10,000, minus 10,000, 1 lakh 15, 40 plus 70, 1 lakh 15. Okay, received commission 5,000, so plus 5,000, so plus capital 5,000, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 20, that is 40 plus 80. On each and every stage, the final equation, accounting equation, tallies on asset side is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, so what you should do, the homework, multiply. Okay, I will write here, multiplied by 5 times, right? 5 times, same transaction, keep it, same transaction. This is the homework. Those who don't do the homework and send me the scanned copy, there will be penalty. Okay, penalty. So what is penalty? Penalty would be, right, rupee 2 per day. How much? Rupees 2 per day. So when will I collect this amount? Yes, when you come back to the classes, normal classes, then from today till that day, okay, so that would be calculated. A section 103 students, B section 103 students, 103 homework solved. I should be getting the scanned copies. If I'm not getting, so we'll sit together and calculate how much of the penalty you have to pay. So we'll be collecting it, okay? For the good of the college only, otherwise not so, okay? So intention is making students more clear and accurate, accountable. Okay, so thank you. I hope you repeat from the beginning all the chapters. Wherever you have difficulty, please uh, text me, or else you can write in the feedback, right, clearly. indicate all the details, date, time, and for example, this video is being made for 13 minutes. What did you find in first 2 minutes, second 2 minutes, third 2 minutes, fourth slot, fifth slot, sixth slot? What did I say? So please mention, so that becomes a beautiful means construction of the sentences you would be able to learn. So why I'm using only English? Because I want my students to pick up whether you like it or not, whether you understand it or not. So slowly, okay, so gradually you would be able to understand and present yourself. Thank you. This is Suresh Babu once again wishing you all the very best for your examination. Prepare well. Okay, work hard. Thank you.